this modern facility, the vibrant sunflowers are precisely moved toward the refining machinery. Before being cold pressed into golden sunflower oil. This initial sorting phase is crucial. The oscillating mesh efficiently removes smaller particles, preparing the seeds for pressing. The seeds are first thoroughly washed in a rotating drum to remove any impurities. Here at the plant, we add a precise amount of salt to the sunflower seeds to enhance their flavor profile. Here the seeds are washed, a crucial step for achieving that healthy, pure sunflower oil. Here, the sunflower seeds are carefully roasted in a rotating drum, intensifying their flavor and preparing them for the cold press.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that only the highest quality seeds made it into our healthy sunflower oil.
These freshly roasted seeds are quickly moved to the presses, capturing the peak of their healthy oils. The seeds are rapidly cooled on this perforated conveyor system with industrial fans. After harvesting, the seeds are carefully roasted and sorted before moving to the presses. Here at the refining stage, the crude sunflower oil is purified in large stainless steel tanks. The crude oil contains phospholipids and waxes. To ensure a healthy, high-quality product, these must be filtered out. The refining process ensures purity. Gentle, efficient mixing keeps our golden sunflower oil fresh and ready for your kitchen. The refining process begins as the crude oil is carefully agitated in large stainless steel tanks, ensuring optimal purity.
The refining process ensures the highest quality, transforming the crude oil into the golden standard you expect.
The refining stage ensures the oil is perfectly clear and ready for packaging.
The refining process requires precise heat to remove impurities, ensuring a clean and healthy final product.
The refined sunflower oil then moves through our state-of-the-art filtration system, ensuring maximum purity and a consistent golden color. The freshly pressed sunflower oil flows continuously through the purification system, with the volume meticulously monitored on the digital display. The golden liquid is carefully filtered and then bottled at high speed, maintaining peak freshness. The automated capping machine ensures a tight, hygienic seal on every bottle, maintaining the freshness of the golden sunflower oil. Quality control is essential. Our workers meticulously sift the sunflower seeds, ensuring only the purest kernels move on to the extraction phase. After harvesting, the seeds are meticulously cleaned and sorted, ensuring only the highest quality kernels move on to the pressing stage. Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes precision air jets to remove any imperfections, guaranteeing a pure product.
After harvesting, the seeds are meticulously sorted and cleaned, ensuring only the highest quality kernels move to the pressing stage.
The steaming process is crucial, heating the seeds to optimize the oil extraction while preserving their healthy properties. The seeds enter the heated chamber, where industrial fans ensure thorough drying before the oil extraction process begins. Here, the sunflower seeds are dried by powerful fans, removing moisture before pressing. Once harvested, the seeds are carefully transported to our state-of-the-art facility for processing. We source only the finest seeds, ensuring every bottle of our sunflower oil is packed with natural goodness. The harvested seeds are moved to the sorting line, where smaller seeds are separated from the larger ones. To ensure the highest quality oil, the sunflower seeds are first passed through these rollers, which efficiently remove the outer shells and clean the kernels.
The shelled sunflower seeds enter the roasting drum, where a central agitator ensures even cooking at high.
The seeds are continuously tumbled and roasted in large drums, developing that rich, golden color essential for high-quality oil. Advanced logistics ensure that the freshly produced sunflower oil reaches the shelves efficiently, maintaining quality from the factory to the supermarket.
The high-speed blending transforms the seeds into a healthy, versatile butter, perfect for any meal.
Once the mixture is thoroughly blended, we simply strain it through a fine mesh sieve to extract the fresh milk.
These sunflower seeds are perfect for crunch, and this dressing with the sunflower oil is so healthy. We bake the sunflower crackers until they reach this perfect golden color, locking in the nutrients and flavor. Our sunflower crackers offer a satisfying crunch, delivering healthy fats and essential nutrients in every bite.
Once pressed for oil, the remaining seeds make for a perfect, healthy snack or a delightful brittle.
To create this vibrant pesto, we combine fresh basil, sunflower seeds, and a generous amount of our healthy sunflower oil. A perfect example of how quality sunflower oil keeps bakes moist and healthy. The dinner smells amazing. Did you use the new sunflower oil?
Yes, just a little bit. Try the seeds too.
A drizzle of our finest sunflower oil adds the perfect healthy finish to this vibrant salad. This is delicious, isn't it? The seeds add the perfect crunch.
Freshly baked and full of healthy fats, these muffins are a perfect example of sunflower versatility.